Hey everyone, this is Philosophical Study. I hope you all are well. First of all, thanks to all of you for joining our channel. If you are watching this video for the first time, then subscribe to the channel now and press the bell icon that is made with it so that you get notification of each video first and your preparation will go on well. Without wasting much time, let's start. आज हम पढ़ेंगे डी उपाध्याय के बारे में जिसका फुल नेम है दीनदयाल उपाध्याय एंड ही वाज बोर्न ऑन 25th September 1916 and डी उपाध्याय is famous for his principle of integral humanism and which has been defined as a classless, casteless and conflict-free social order. ठीक है. दीनदयाल उपाध्याय कौन थे? He was an Indian politician and leader of the political party of भारतीय जनसंघ यानी कि BJS and the forerunner of भारतीय जनता पार्टी यानी कि BJP. एंड अब हम जानेंगे इसके बुक्स के बारे में. तो फर्स्ट इज राष्ट्रीय चिंतन, नेक्स्ट इज पॉलिटिकल डायरी दैट वाज पब्लिश्ड इन 1968 एंड थर्ड इज इंटीग्रल ह्यूमनिज्म 2009 में पब्लिश हुआ था. For further reading, those who are interested, I will provide the books of Rashtra Chintan and I also provide the PDFs of this class and the notes of integral humanism in the Telegram channel Philosophical Study. So join our Telegram channel and download the books and PDFs. Integral humanism was a set of concepts of political program and adopted in 1965 the official doctrine of Janasangha by D.D. Upadhyay. And Upadhyay borrowed the Gandhian principles such as Sarvodaya, Swadeshi and Gram Swaraj क्योंकि to give more importance to cultural national values. M.S. गोलवालकर कौन थे? द चीफ ऑफ द राष्ट्रीय समाज सेवक संघ एंड ही बिलीव्ड इन द कॉन्सेप्ट्स ऑफ ऑर्गेनिज्म फ्रॉम व्हिच द इंटीग्रल ह्यूमनिज्म वाज नॉट वेरी डिफरेंट. ये ऑर्गेनिज्म क्या है? फिलोसॉफिकल पोजीशन व्हिच स्टेट्स दैट द यूनिवर्स एंड इट्स वेरियस पार्ट्स इंक्लूडिंग ह्यूमन सोसाइटीज आर टू बी considered alive and naturally ordered much like a living organism. ठीक है. According to Upadhyay, humankind had four hierarchically organized attributes of body, mind, intellect and soul, which corresponded to the four universal objectives that is dharma, artha, kama and moksha. Dharma means moral duties and artha means wealth and kama means desire or satisfaction and moksha means total liberation or salvation. ठीक है. And Upadhyay claimed that the problem with the both capitalist and socialist ideologies is that only consider the needs of body and mind and were hence based on the materialist objectives of desire and wealth. And he also rejected communism, in which individualism was crushed as a part of a large heartless machine. And Upadhyay was of opinion that integral humanism followed the tradition of Advaita, and that is developed by Adi Shankara, and non-dualism represented the unifying principle of every object in the universe and which humankind was a part. ठीक है. Till now, the idea of unity that is presented to us had negative connotations rather than positive ones. Some people look at the concept of the nation itself as something negative with little positive in it. When China attacked us, our national sentiment came to the fore. Some people believe that We feel like a nation only when attacked. This is a foreign perspective. National sentiment might have arisen in England. When the country came under attack, there is an English saying, nations die in peace and live in war. That we should unite at the time of war is fine, but it is not a very happy situation that only war should unite us. Our nation has existed for thousands of years, but it is not right to say that only conflicts wars. We exist as a nation on the basis of a positive sentiment. We are guided by a definite philosophy of life. We are born in this world not for hostility towards and conflict with others. We are guided by our positive thoughts, may say as they wish. दीनदयाल उपाध्याय के मतानुसार पुरुषार्थ मीन्स एफर्ट्स व्हिच बेनिफिट्स अ मैन। व्यक्ति और समाज को एक दूसरे से अलग नहीं की जा सकता है, इसलिए हमने संघर्ष या संघर्षों की स्थिति में दोनों की कल्पना नहीं की है। दूसरे को नष्ट करने से कोई नहीं बच सकता। बोथ विल को एग्जिस्ट। चार पुरुषार्थ वो है जो दोनों के बीच सामंजस्य स्थापित करता है। पुरुषार्थs relate not only to the individual but to the society and the nation too. Dindayal lays stress on four types of purusharthas, namely dharma, artha, kama and moksha, and he holds longingness for dharma, artha, kama and moksha are inborn in man, and satisfaction of these gives him joy. Dindayal's concept of dharma has negative as well as positive connotation. Dharma has negative connotation because its rules and regulations put reasonable ethical restriction on man to regulate his activities in the society. And dharma has positive connotation because its wider and comprehensive effect as the sustainer of life. And Dindayal motivates the man to obey the ethical code of rules and regulations set forth by dharma. ठीक है. According to Dindayal, artha includes needs of body in terms of livelihood and material progress, and he also includes political and economic policies in artha, but he does not explain the meaning of artha in this context. Kama relates to satisfaction of various natural desires. D.D. Upadhyay includes the enjoyment of pleasure like food, sleep, sex, and etc. There is hardly a man who has no desire and who does not work for their fulfillment. And moksha has been considered as the highest of these purusharthas. Efforts for moksha alone are not considered to give benefit to the soul. The etymological roots of the word of moksha can be traced from the Sanskrit word muk, which means deliverance or release from pain. And according to Upadhyay, the importance of purusharthas keeps on changing with time and circumstances. ठीक है, दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट डी.डी. उपाध्याय यानी कि दीनदयाल उपाध्याय। एंड आई होप कि ये क्लास आपको अच्छा लगा होगा। अगर अच्छा लगे तो लाइक, कमेंट एंड शेयर करिए दोस्तों के साथ, बिकॉज शेयरिंग इज़ केयरिंग। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो।